प्रिय छात्रों, मैं नरेंद्र सिंह नैकेला, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चिमनपुरा, सहआचार्य कृषि प्रसार शिक्षा, आज आपके सामने BSc पार्ट फर्स्ट ईयर का ह्यूमन वैल्यूज एंड एथिक्स का जो कोर्स है उसमें अपन गोल, मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशंस एंड हाउ टू सेट ए गोल इन लाइफ के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मीनिंग एंड डेफिनेशन ऑफ गोल। Goal are an important part of getting what you want out of life. To put the concept very simply, goals are the how you achieve something. It is roughly similar to purpose or aim, the anticipated result which guides reaction to achieve an objective. We can also define goal as a goal is defined as a desired result or possible outcome that a person or a system envisions, plans and commits to achieve. A personal desire or end point in some sort of assumed development. Many people endeavor to reach goals within a finite time by setting deadlines. Another definition, a goal is an observable and measurable end result having one or more objective to be achieved within a more or less fixed time frame. We can also define goal as in simple words that goal is the distance to be covered within a given direction within a time period. Means लक्ष्य वह दूरी है एक निर्धारित दिशा में जो कि हमें किसी निर्धारित समय में तय करनी होती है। Now we will discuss about the need to set personal goals. Individuals can set personal goals. A student may set a goal of a high grade. A player a high grade in an exam, and an athlete might have run 5 miles a day. A traveler might try to reach a destination city within 3 hours. Financial goals are a common example, like saving for retirement or saving for a purchase. Setting up goals in life, planning and pursuing those leads to. First one is specific efforts aiming towards desired objective of personal life. Second one, fruitful and rewarding returns in all areas of personal life. Third one is clarity in what to achieve, helps in improving the efforts with full devotion and deep concentration. Fourth one is promotes long-term vision and short-term motivation. Fifth one is focusing on the intentions and desires. Sixth one is acquisition of related knowledge and organization of required resources. Seventh one, resolution of all guilt, inner conflict or limiting beliefs. And last one, that is eighth, unhindered progress and pride of accomplishment. Now we will discuss about the goal setting, how we will set a goal in life. Goal setting goal setting comprises a major component of personal development and management. Goal setting may involve establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bounded objectives. That is called as the goal should be smart. Goals can be long term, intermediate, or short term. The primary difference is the time required to achieve them. Goal setting can serve as an effective tool for making progress when it ensures that group members have a clear awareness of what each person must do to achieve a shared objective. Life is designed in such a way that we tend to look long term but we live short term. We dream for the future and live in the present. Unfortunately, the present can produce many difficult obstacles, but setting goals provides long term vision in our lives. We all need powerful long range goals to help us get past those short term obstacles. Fortunately, the more powerful our goals are, the more we will able to act on and be confident of achieving them. इसलिए हमेशा लक्ष्य ऊंचा रखना चाहिए. Now we can also discuss in brief how to set the goals. Evaluate and reflect. First one is evaluation gives you a baseline to work from. First, take the some time to think through the through and write down your current situation. Then ask this question on each key point: is that okay? The way we can reasonably decide what we want in the future. The purpose of evolution is twofold. First one is it gives you an objective way to look at your accomplishment and your pursuit of the vision you have for life. And second one is the it shows you where you are so you can determine where you need to go. Thank you very much.